Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a new video, since I've posted on social media. I've been taking a social media break, you guys, and it feels really good to be back. And in today's video, I'm going to be installing a wig straight out of the box. That means that I will not be doing anything to this wig. You heard me. So no plucking, no bleaching of the knots. This is a beginner friendly install. The wig I'm installing today is from Genius Wigs, and it's a pre-made wig, and the hair texture is also curly, so you can rock it straight or curly. I will put all the hair info in the description box down below. So I've actually wanted to try this company's wig for quite some time now because I've seen some reviews and the lace looks bomb. I mean, look at this lace. Where is it? It's so thin. And the hairline doesn't require a lot of tweezing, as you can see, which is a good thing, especially if you are new to wigs, so you don't have to put a lot of work into it. The knots are already pre-bleached and also super thin. But you guys, I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so me personally, I'd probably end up bleaching the knots, but just for the sake of this video, I wanted you guys to see how it looks straight out of the box when I install it. Alright, so the wig has these elastic bands, and I personally don't really like the placement of it, so I'm actually gonna remove it because the wig is actually just a tad bit big for my head, just a little bit big for my head, and I'm gonna sew another elastic band onto it. So the wig actually came with elastic bands that you can sew on, so I'm gonna use that one and take this one off because this one doesn't work for my head. This step is definitely optional. You don't have to do this if the elastic band that comes on the wig works for you, but it just doesn't work for me. I do have a small head. My head is about 21 inches and the wig is about 21.5. That's the standard size for wigs, so they start at 21.5. That's the smaller size. And I'm just trying the wig on just to see how it looks. And you guys, this hairline, considering that I did not tweeze it, it looks freaking amazing. Considering I did not tweeze it or bleach the knot, it looks great. Okay, so let's go back to that elastic band. I'm just gonna put this behind my head just to see if I need to cut it or not, and I do not need to cut it. So it comes with the wig, and I'm gonna put the wig on my canvas head right now because I'm gonna sew this band onto the wig, and I'm gonna put it in the proper placement where I want it to be. And the wig is gonna fit comfortable. It's not gonna be too tight on my head because you don't want your wig to be too tight. That is not a good feeling. So now I'm gonna go in with my needle and my thread, and I'm gonna start doing some stitch. And just taking your time with that and just do your stitch nice and neat. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side as well. It's super easy. So this is pretty much the only thing I'm going to be doing to this wig today. I'm not sure why I'm posing in the camera with my ball cap, but I don't know, I just be feeling a little extra sometimes when I have a ball cap on. It makes me want to shave my head, but I'm not ready for that life yet. But you guys, I'm going to pop this onto my head. I'm going to try this wig on. It fits really nice, it's comfortable, it's nice and snug. And you guys, you can see where that hairline starts on the wig. It's clearly too far of a hairline for me. It looks unnatural, but I'm gonna go in with my foundation powder right now and just color my wig cap. So I have my wig cap on. I'm just gonna make the color match my forehead so it looks more realistic when I put the wig on. And yeah, the hairline's a little deep, but it still looks really natural. I like how thin it looks, so that way I don't have to do a lot of tweezing. Actually, I'm not going to do any tweezing whatsoever. I'm going to leave this wig as is, okay? But the perfectionist in me do want to tweeze it, but again, for the sake of this video, I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to go in with a comb, and I'm going to take out that front piece because I don't need that. I'm going to customize this hairline for my face, for my head, so it works really good with my face. And guys, when you're working with wigs, do not be scared to cut the lace, okay? I mean, if you're new, like, really take your time with it, but you can cut the hairline and customize it to work with your face. So I'm gonna go in with these tiny little scissors. I really like using these, and I also like using the eyebrow razor, but you gotta be really careful with this because you can really cut yourself with these eyebrow razors, so be very careful. And guys, that lace is so thin, like it is probably one of the thinnest lace I've ever seen, and I could barely see it when I was cutting it. So I'm just gonna go in with the scissors some more and just really cut around the hairline so it works and frames my face, and I'm here for it. And this wig, I could rock this glueless if I wanted to as well. I'm gonna cut off that little piece at the air, and I do think the wig is, like I said, it's just a little bit big, so it does go down past the ear just a little bit. I find on my face it's just a tad bit big for me, but I really do love the hairline. And if I wanted to tweeze this and make it look more realistic at the sides, I would, but I'm not going to. So I'm going to go in with some bold hole lace glue, and I applied 1 layer. Actually, I applied 2 layers, and I wait until it dry clear, and then I'm going to pull that lace down, go in with my blow dryer on a cool setting. So I kind of speed this part up just a little bit because I've done this quite a lot. You guys see me doing this before. So I'm going to add another layer of glue at the side as well, go in with my blow dryer, and wait until that glue is clear. And you guys, I haven't done a wig removal video, but let me know in the comment section if you want to see that, and I will definitely film it for you. And I'm gonna go in with some melting spray, you guys, and it's actually my very own melting spray. I've been working on my own hair products, so that should be coming very, very soon. Anyways, we're gonna move on, and I'll talk about that stuff in another video. But I'm gonna go in with my hot comb, you guys, and I'm just gonna flatten that down. Like, are you seeing that lace? It looks really, really good considering that I did not bleach the knot. Like, I'm actually very impressed with this. And I'm gonna take out some little tiny baby hair. You guys know how I do. I keep it really simple. I keep it easy, the hairline. I don't like too much of a baby hair. You know, I don't really like that look on me so much. I don't hate baby hairs, I just don't really like it as much on me. So I tied my wig down just to get it nice and flat and melted, and I'm gonna go in with my flat iron. Guys, I was kind of struggling with my flat iron. It is so old. I need a new one. It doesn't really do the best job, I find, anymore. And I'm gonna go in with some hair wax as well, just to flatten down that wig so it doesn't look super bulky. Now this hair is curly hair, so it has more of a texture to it, so it's not like super bone straight, but I love the fact that it has texture to it. Like, I really like that look. And you guys, this is how it is looking. What lace? Never heard of her. She does not exist. I'm here for it. And guys, this is probably the easiest install I've ever done on my channel because I do put in work into my wigs, and I didn't have to do a lot of work into this wig. And a lot of companies, when they sell you wigs, you do have to make them look good. Like, they don't come looking that great, like fresh out the box. You have to put some work into it. So I'm going to show you guys how the wig also looks when it's in its curly form. One side of the hair is curly, the other side is straight. I'm going to show you guys how I bring it back to life, how I bring it back to its curly side. It's super easy. Just use some water. So I got my water bottle, and I'm using some hair mousse. This one is by Shea Moisture, and it's a frizzy curly hair mousse. I'll put the info in the description box down below, and I'm going to go in with that and just apply it throughout the hair. On the other side, it's already dry, you guys, so it dries really, really fast as well. So the other side has a bit more volume to it. So this is how it looks in its curly form. Let me know if you prefer it curly or straight. I like both. I think it works. It depends on the mood that you're in. But yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up this video if you do. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And I'll see you in another video very, very soon. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Bye.